There's a thunderstorm going on right now out here, and two lightning strikes just struck nearby. Like one was real bright and struck close by. Yeah.
DJ, that's not safe to be laying close to a window.
Oh, yeah, just come talk to me then.
Well, your dad, when that tornado hit a few months ago, he was standing by the window watching it fly by out there.
Yeah.
Remember the tornado we had?
I do at least want to catch one of those real loud. It is windy.
I mean, it was a week.
Oh, crap. Yeah. I told these people, these viewers on here about it.
Category
A lot.
0.
Oh, yep, they went one.
Or the wind speed in the neighborhood.
Yeah, that was 0.
I think that one
Like, I just felt like a real blatant streak.
stronger, but 0 or 1. That's coming from back that direction.
Get it rain. Up. Over there. Yeah, in a house. My sister just walked up to the door.
The other 3 are in our house.
Yeah, I was like when I first saw this, holy crap, it's getting dark then. I think that was lightning.
They don't stay in 24/7. Well, Mittens does, but the others do.
He stays in most of the time.
Orange color, orange and white. They go in and out like this with it.
This rain just coming off the roof. You can see it a little bit. I'm at my great grandma's house, which is right next to mine. You guys didn't know. Signs over there blowing in the wind. I hope one doesn't get blown away. Well, we have a bunch of replacements in the house, so I don't think we have to worry about it. Holy frick. I caught one. It's getting windier. There went another one. Jeez. Mother Nature, did you have beans? Mother Nature. Surprisingly, our power's still on. But my dad's TV ain't. Everything's still intact. The power lines, well, something might not be. No, and that was like the 4th lightning strike to hit. Jeez. I keep seeing flashes, so when she flashes, and that means Mother Nature is about to fart. When she a real bright one, that means Mother Nature giving you a warning that she's gonna fart real loud. Got my daddy's parakeet in here tweeting. Say hello, Tweety.
God showing his wrath on all the meanness in the world.
Yep. Yeah. The most famous cat on the channel. Yeah. No.
They actually watch tornadoes.
The sky just one blatant color. Just gray, but it appears white on here. So that one looks like it struck the field. About looked like it. Let me see if anything is wrong with the back. Yep, everything still looks fine. Shut up, Watcher. Jeez. Jeez. No, not the cats. Anything but those. Yeah, it has to be. Oh yeah, my dad's TV is on. It's just dim and it's a little hard to see. I don't know. Yeah, that was probably him. Surprisingly, nope, the power hasn't went out yet.
Don't say that.
Oh yeah, I gotta keep my big fat trap shut. Yeah, I gotta keep my trap shut or that will happen. No, in my mouth. Do you mind, please? Loudmouth cause. What is this thing? Nemo. Hey there, Nemo. I want to catch a good, nice lightning strike on camera. I like watching storms, but I'm also afraid of them. Because ever since I had that tornado on June 10th of 2020, June 10th of 2020, if you're watching this in another year, just to let you know, it was June 10th of 2020. Yeah, it seems like nothing really is happening.
It's pretty rich.
Still going. About 2 or 3 minutes later and it's still going. Is it just sprinkling out? Nope, it's raining. It's legit raining. Seems like it's getting darker. Oh, there went one. Mother Nature, toot, anytime. Let me see if I can time this. I'm gonna be Zeus in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lightning. Boom. Nope. One more time. One more time. Lightning. Boom. Nope, nothing. I think the main part of the lightning went over us. I'm not seeing much of it anymore. Only the dim flashes. Yeah, I think the main part of it just passed over us. Let me get a glimpse of it from over here. Ah! I think there's still some going on over here. Yep. Sounds like this radio is cutting out a little bit. The licky cat. Nothing out of the ordinary over here as well.
Or could have hit something, some kind of electrical appliance in somebody's house or something.
Oh, yeah, that too.
Well, you could, but it's not easy.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's passing. Because it's starting to clear up a little.
Yeah, but you still don't want to go out there.
Still sprinkling a little bit, though. Still raining a little. Open sesame. I just said open sesame to a light. Next door. That's passing over. Let me go over here and see if it's clearing. Yeah, I think it's clearing. Yeah, I think the main part of it passed over us already. Hey, he's not gonna go out there, I guess. Everything looks normal. Chicken's walking around. Startled me, Mommy. Yeah, it's passing over us, but it's not fully over us yet. We're not fully over here yet. I opened the door, and it just started. Hey. Thunder. Boom. That was weird. Streak of lightning, but no thunder. Never mind. Spot where I just was, somewhere over there. Okay, yep. Everything just a little more tamed. Yeah, it's still raining a little. Here we go, yeah. Okay. Yeah, nothing else is really happening, so I'm just gonna end this video off here. If you don't like and subscribe right now, then lightning will hit you. Or something important of yours. Besides people. Oh boy.